Today's video, we're going to be doing some maintenance. It needs teeth really bad, as you can see in the video, the before and after pictures and that. So today's going to be a little bit more maintenance, try to get it ready for when we use it, because when we use it we don't want it to fail for us. So just something that has to be done. What are you doing in there? We got work to do. Let's go. Come on. That's how much was missing. And that's why they start to wear out your bucket if you're not careful. Like these corners get wore off because these teeth aren't out here doing most of the work. They start to wear back into the bucket, and then next thing you know, you're cutting with this edge instead of out here with this point. So, food for thought, these should have been replaced probably when they get about here, not when they get back into here. Earthquake held up for 80 bucks. That's not bad compared to like 200, 300 bucks you could spend on a brand name.